Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this deliciously flavorful jerk chicken and rice recipe. This whole meal is made in one pan. It's very simple to make. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. I have here all kinds of spices. We're going to start by putting together the jerk seasoning for the chicken and rice. Into an empty bowl, add some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, allspice, brown sugar, dried parsley, dried thyme. We're also adding from this bowl some red pepper flakes, ground cumin, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, and ground cinnamon. Go ahead and add these to your bowl of spices and then add some salt and black pepper. Jerk seasoning is a little bit spicy, so if you're not a fan of the heat, you can reduce the amount of cayenne pepper. I like spicy food, so I don't mind. Once everything is very well mixed in, we're going to season the chicken. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. You're going to season the chicken thighs on both sides with a few tablespoons of your jerk seasoning. And then you will set the rest of your jerk seasoning aside for later. Make sure you pat the seasoning into the chicken, that way it sticks very well, and then you're going to turn them over and season the other side as well. Once the chicken is very well seasoned, cover with an aluminum foil or saran wrap, then let it marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. This way the chicken can soak in all the flavors from the spices very well. Once the chicken thighs have finished marinating, we're going to sear them. Add some oil into a skillet over medium heat. Once the oil gets very hot, go ahead and add the marinated chicken. Make sure you place the chicken into the pan, skin side down. Let them sear for 3 minutes, and then you're going to turn them over onto the other side and let them sear for 3 more minutes. Once the chicken has seared on both sides, take them out of the pan, then set them aside for later. In the same pan, we're going to saute some vegetables. I went ahead and cut up red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, and carrots. Throw the veggies into the pan, then saute them on medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes to release their flavors. Next, we're going to add some washed white rice. And then you're going to grab the jerk seasoning we made and add a spoonful to your rice and veggies. Season with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Mix everything together and saute for about a minute. And then we're going to add some chicken broth and rice wine vinegar. Go ahead and stir everything together, and then you're going to add the chicken. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the rice and chicken comes to a simmer, you're going to cover the pan with aluminum foil, then place it into the oven to bake for 45 minutes. Once the jerk chicken and rice is done baking, finish it with some fresh parsley. The jerk chicken and rice came out so flavorful and delicious. This is one of my favorite meals to make for my family. The chicken is packed with so much flavor and the combination of rice and veggies is so delicious. The chicken came out very tender also. If you guys would like to make this delicious jerk chicken and rice recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.